Hello young ones, are you excited to learn something new today? And today we are going to make a coral reef. Yes, a beautiful coral reef, and we will start now. So first what we are going to take? We are going to make a shape of a ball kind of in the center of the page. So here like this, go very slow this way. And then keep on adding the designs. Now here I am making my favorite designs. What you can do, it's upon you. You have to show your creativity and your imagination. So try to make with your own imagination whatever shape you want to put. Here I am putting very basic shapes as seen in the sea or ocean, a circle, putting some designs inside it. Okay, and then a line here. I am filling with very small designs, like very simple. And when you make, you can even add fishes, shells, whatever you want. Keep adding on the designs till it looks complete. So I will keep on adding designs. Then again, okay, after this what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some more designs. So remember, you have to fill the page and it's your imagination. Whatever shape you want to fill, just try to fill that shape and go very slowly. The shape should be clear. It should be visible easily. Okay, now coming to this side, what I'm going to do, first I'm going to this on that line a stone, the circle kind of, and this way. Now adding some leaves here. Keep on adding patterns as the way you want, and always remember that creativity has no definition. It is like as much as you want to draw, as much as you want to create, you can create. It has no boundaries. Okay, here my design is almost ready. Fishes. Here what you can do, you can even make more real. So here I'm almost done with the drawing part. The next step is to add colors and giving the boundaries with the black marking. So here I'm going to outline my sketch now with the black marker. Now after doing the sketching, what we are going to do, we are going to outline it with the black sketch pen. So very slowly you have to cover all the lines with the black sketch pen, and then we are going to add the colors. So for that, go very slowly and cover all lines, shape, patterns, everything with the black sketch pen. So this way I will finish the outline part, and then we'll show you how to fill the colors. Now my sketching is done, outlines are done. The next step is to add colors in it. So for filling the colors, now here you can choose your favorite colors, as coral reefs are very colorful. So here use your imaginations and creativity and try to make as much beautiful as you can. Okay, so here I am filling colors randomly of my choice. You pick your favorite colors. So this way I'm going to complete some pink and then little bit of pink here. Okay, after this I will pick some red and going to fill in this part. Remember, you have to fill colors very neatly and very carefully because these patterns are very small. So remember, your color should not come out of the patterns. Otherwise it will not look nice. So very slowly I'm covering The next is I'm adding some blue here. Again, it's up to you which color you want to fill in which shape. It's totally upon you. So here I am filling my favorite colors. This. I'm leaving this portion so that I can give a shade of little yellow inside this. Same here. Similarly, this way I had filled the colors inside the coral reef. I had tried to make it as much colorful as I can. And remember, you can also fill colors from your choice. Okay, so this way and like this. So here, done. The next part is to give shading in the back. So to give that sea look, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick some wax crayons, because that effect will come with the wax color. So with the help of blue, little of green, light green, dark green we need, and we need some orange as well as yellow. So with these 5 colors we are going to give shading effect. So first I'm going to cover it all with the light blue crayon. Like this, going very slowly and giving the shading effect. So this way I'm going to color the whole white portion with the blue crayon. Don't put it on the patterns, otherwise the patterns will not look beautiful and it will override the colors also. So this way I'm going very slowly and filling all the white parts with the blue color. So once you are done with the blue, so here my blue is all done. Now what I'm going to do, first with the help of yellow, I'm going to give a shading effect only in the top of the artwork. Okay, so like this, only in the top part with little yellow. So this way, and then with some orange. So here, very slowly. Okay, once you are done with the orange, then in the bottom part, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick my green shade and give the effect of green with blue, so that it will look little darker in the bottom. And lastly, little dark color. So this is a darker shade of green, and this way our coral reef is all finished. Isn't it looking beautiful? So kids, always remember that from where you have learned this from KidsNagri. So I'm going to write it here. I learned it on KidsNagri. And at the last, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a little border to my artwork. So for that, I'm going to pick a black marker and draw a line on the border of artwork like this, and like this. So here coral reef is done. So okay, kids, keep creating, keep coloring, keep discovering, and start making your own coral reef drawing with me. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.